Morning guys. So it's a beautiful morning down here at Farmer John's. I'm currently just having a walk around the bike park, just having a bit of a look at some of the lines, and yeah, just waiting for Dirt Factory to open so I can get my bike back, and then I'm gonna hit the jumps. So Dirt Factory are also setting the airbag up here today, so I might give that a go. We'll see. We've got to leave at 12:30 and it doesn't start till 11, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, enjoy the video guys. See you soon. Buzz on the arse there on my first run. Nice and quiet here this morning. Josh from Couple Goals is here with his missus Jess, having a little session. Guessing they're both going on the airbag. Caught that first double.
Go on.
Step down there. So guys, that's a wrap for this video. Good morning with Josh, met up with Mark Moss as well. Few nice runs down the car park line. Didn't bother with the airbag, I just didn't see the point in wasting the money for only a couple of goes on it. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys soon. See you in the next one.